India's largest company by market share is changing again. And in any company's history, changes are necessity. If you don't change, you will be thrown out of the market. And the timing of the change suggests that they are focusing some of the high growth areas. They are tapping onto the new investment from various quarters. Therefore, the ambition is to lead Indian market for next at least 2 decades. They will keep on revisiting the strategy. Today we are talking about the new demerger announcement which Reliance has made today itself, that is on 23rd of Feb 2021. The announcement itself is not new. Okay, if we look at the Reliance announcement, they did somewhere in last April, they did this announcement where they were planning to create a separate entity which is called OTC, oil to chemical business, and they are going to do a stake sale which is around 20% to Saudi oil giant which is Aramco, right? And this oil to chemical business will have its own management, and that will give them more time to think and strategize around their own growth plans. So we all can see here Reliance had this ambition already announced last year. But due to some of the problems and the pandemic in 2020, we noticed that oil prices were at rock bottom. I think oil prices came down to about $15. And that put a lot of pressure on Saudi Aramco and their future plans. Crude prices were rock bottom. They had to relook at the whole strategy again. This was the reason people were doubting, not sure if this deal will really go through. However, with the latest announcement, it appears the deal is quite there, and possibly we will have more investors coming in for Reliance's OTC unit itself. So Reliance is getting ready for 2.0 mission. And what is that mission exactly? As I said, they want to target and reimagine their business model and look at the new avenues for next 20-30 years. Therefore, the Mission 2.0 holds a great appeal in their own strategy. And there are few key aspects they want to tackle upon. They want to look at the growth areas for future, and they want to boost their current strength. The third one, and maybe they are looking at some of the avenues where they can grow inorganically. Some of the acquisitions they would be open to, and if organically they can grow in some spaces. For example, they did a recent acquisition of Future Retail. I spoke about that in my earlier video. Therefore, please do visit that video if you have not seen, because there are a lot of interesting aspects around that deal and an interesting fight also. Okay, so the Reliance 2.0 mission, as I explained, has these all things in the mind. Therefore, one important factor which is coming out and could be maybe market is looking for that kind of news in the future. What happened was Reliance had a huge portfolio of companies. They merged them into RIL earlier, and now they are demerging it as per the demand, and they are creating a separate unit called oil to chemical. We spoke of that. Other than that, there are plans to create few more entities, and these entities will be Jio platform, which will be kind of, let's say, a digital venture for them, and they have huge ambitions around Jio digital or Jio platform, and they have some of the marquee investors coming on and buying their idea. One of them is Facebook, other one is Google, right? Therefore it is very interesting, and in this journey there is third partner, and that is Microsoft with their Azure cloud. So how this ecosystem builds up, we need to look at this in future. We will talk about Jio and the plans, how they want to bring a lot of non-digital areas and make them their marketplace, but we will talk that in some other day. And the other segment they want to target is Jio retail. As I said, Jio recently acquired Future Retail, and that acquisition has caused some of the other issues. I spoke on that. You can find the link in the description itself. And one interesting area which market is really looking forward is, maybe they are looking to enter into finance, and if that happens, this gives them a complete control of, or complete dominance of Indian market. They will be in every segment. They will touch upon the lives of so many people in one or other way, right? And other than that, they intend to probably induct some of these next generation leaders from the family. They have the next generation of leaders, maybe their son and daughter will take over some of these initiatives. Isha Ambani, as everybody knows, has been very actively working in Jio platform. Probably some idea she could get into that space and work more closely. They all are already working on these concepts. Probably we will see some announcements in this demerger and the future plans they have. So with this, Reliance is getting ready for next many years, and they will continue to dominate the Indian market. How this happens, what changes, the challenges they face, we will talk about all of it together in our future videos. Therefore, take care and stay safe, stay connected.